Students, welcome to English class. Today I will teach you the poem I would like to be. Let's start pre-reading now. What do you want to be in future? I want to be a soldier in future, or I want to be a teacher in future. Let's start general now. Self-introduction. I am Subhranshu. I want to be a teacher. What's about you? Let's come to the topic. Now I will be reciting the poem. I would like to be a monkey and climb the tree so high, jumping from branch to branch till I reach the sky, playing and skipping all day long, dancing and eating too. I would like to be a monkey. What about you? I would like to be a tiger and roam the jungle deep, laying in sunlight all day long, warm and fast asleep, searching all night through. I would like to be a tiger. What about you? In this poem, the poet wanted to know about our wish or what we would like to be. Now, I will explain the poem in details. Come to the first stanza. I would like to be a monkey and climb the tree so high, jumping from branch to branch till I reach the sky, playing and skipping all day long, dancing and eating too. I would like to be a monkey. What about you? In the first stanza of the poem, the poet liked to be a monkey. Here the poet liked to be a monkey. Why does the poet like to be a monkey? Because if he will be a monkey, then he can climb the high tree, jumping from branch to branch until he reaches the sky. If he will be a monkey, he will play, skip, dance and eat also all over the day. I would like to be a monkey. What about you? That's why he liked to be a monkey. Now he is asking to know about us. ମୁଁ ଗୋଟେ ମାଙ୍କଡ଼ ହେବାକୁ ଭଲ ପାଇବି ଏବଂ ଉଚ୍ଚ ଉଚ୍ଚ ବୃକ୍ଷ ସବୁ ଆରୋହଣ କରିବି, ଡାଳରୁ ଡାଳକୁ ଡେଇଁ ଡେଇଁବି, ଆକାଶକୁ ଛୁଇଁବା ଯାଏ ଖେଳିବି ଏବଂ ଡିଆଁ ମାରିବି, ଦିନ ତମାମ ନୃତ୍ୟ କରି ଏବଂ ଖାଦ୍ୟ ଖାଇ ଖାଇ ହେବି ମୁଁ ଏକ ମାଙ୍କଡ଼। ତୁମ କଥା କ'ଣ? Come to the second stanza. I would like to be a tiger and roam the jungle deep, laying in sunlight all day long, warm and fast asleep, searching all night through. I would like to be a tiger. What about you? Here, the poet wants to be a tiger. Why does the poet want to be a tiger? Because if he will be a tiger, then he can move in the deep jungle, searching for food throughout at night and while laying in sunlight at daytime, getting warm and will go deep sleep. That's why he liked to be a tiger. At the end, poet again want to know about us. So, he is asking, what about you? ହେବି ମୁଁ ଏକ ବାଘ. I would like to be a tiger. ହେବି ମୁଁ ଏକ ବାଘ, ବୁଲିବି ଘଞ୍ଚ ଜଙ୍ଗଲରେ ଘୁରି ଘୁରି, ଦିନ ତମାମ ସୂର୍ଯ୍ୟାଲୋକରେ ଶୋଇଯିବି ଗାଢ଼ ନିଦରେ ଉଷ୍ମତା ପାଇ, ରାତି ସାରା ଖାଦ୍ୟ ଖୋଜି ଖୋଜି ହେବୁ ମୁଁ ଏକ ବାଘ, ଆଉ ତୁମେ କ'ଣ? This is the end of the poem. Now I will discuss comprehension questions. If the child became a monkey, where would it climb? It would climb up the tree very high. Question number 2. Where would it jump? It would jump from branch to branch in a tree. Question number 3. What would it do all day long? It would play, skip, dance and eat all day long. If the child were a tiger. Question number 4. Where would it move about? It would move the deep jungle. Question number 5. What would it do all day long? It would lay down itself warm and fast asleep in sunlight all day long. When would it search for food? It would search for food throughout the night. Goodbye students. See you in the next class. Have a good day. Thank you.